A famous example is the QWERTY keyboard used with your computer. QWERTY, replacing the QWERTY keyboard with a more efficient design would have been both expensive and difficult to coordinate. Thus, the placement of the letters stays with the obsolete QWERTY on today's 19 QWERTY English language keyboards. You might wonder why this particular configuration of keys, with its awkward placement of the letters, became the standard. The QWERTY keyboard in the 19th century was developed in the era of manual typewriters with physical keys. The keyboard was designed to keep frequently used keys, like E and O, physically separated in order to prevent them from jamming. By the QWERTY time the technology for electronic typing evolved, millions of people had already learned to type on millions of QWERTY typewriters.